This past Sunday, we had auditions for Hess models here at the school.
B-roll starts. Everything's beautiful. Everything's fun.
The school helped out by providing a place for Hess Modeling Agency. So basically we converted this main studio area to be one huge walkway so that Cindy, the owner of Hess Models, can teach the models how to walk and present and stand and pose for pageants and for runway modeling. In the other room, there was a panel of 5 judges, which I was a part of, in which we actually got to give critique and advice on people auditioning to be a part of Hess Modeling Agency. We gave tips and how to present and be very eloquent when presenting. After that, they went and took headshots in the second studio. So in the end, my students got experience, the people auditioning had a chance to check out the school. Hess Models is able to teach the people who are applying to be a part of the agency. It's a win-win all the way around, and a relationship I'm very proud to have with the school and the agency. Roll.
My hands smell like chicken. Okay.
All right. We had a great turnout. And that's it.